how to recover a locked Reddit account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how you can recover a locked Reddit account. So you must know that Reddit may lock your account for reasons like suspicious login activity, security concerns, too many failed login attempts, and violating Reddit rules. So don't worry, most locked accounts can be recovered. Usually, when your account is locked, Reddit sends you an email linked to your Reddit account. So the first step you need to go is go to the Gmail email associated with your Reddit, open it up and then search for the Reddit reset password option. You can see if your account has been locked, then Reddit will send you your account has been locked, and then please verify it or reset your password. So here you just need to tap on reset password, and then you will get an option to enter your email address or username, and then Reddit will send you a link to reset your password. And after resetting your password, you can log in again and the account will be unlocked. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.